Hello then, my good friends of YouTube. Well, I'm in Canary Islands, or it's pronounced Canary Islands, and I just come right back. My apartment's over there, and there's all the swimming pool and pubs and stuff like that. And I've come up round the back, just up here, to have a look for any insects or anything that's different compared to what I've seen before. And I have been lifting up loads and loads of different rocks, and I cannot find any insects. I've found ants and the odd little beetle, but no spiders. Not seen any spiders, anything strange looking, nothing at all. I can hardly see my phone though because it's so bright. But I would honestly say the Canary Islands, guys, if you ever want to go on holiday, I would honestly suggest the Canary Islands. It's absolutely beautiful. It's fantastic. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. The hottest it's been today is 38. That's how hot it said it was on my watch. Flipping hot as hell. But it's nice. But I've been lifting up loads and loads of rocks, and I cannot see any insects whatsoever, like snakes or spiders or lizards, scorpions, nothing at all. You never know, might find something now I'm talking to you guys, doing a video for you guys, should I say. It's so strange. Today though, you can see my watch. That's what time it is. It's exactly the same time as the UK, you know, because it's down the same degree as the UK, the Canary Islands is. It's just like very close to the equator. Down to the left a little bit more. There's a bit of a cobweb there. Anything in there? I can't believe it though. There's nothing here. Nothing at all. Really, really weird. Let's lift this one up. It's like I was down on the beach looking for crabs, and there was these black crabs, and I swear I've never seen crabs run so quick as what these crabs did. As soon as they seen you, they're all gone. So that looks like a lizard's tail. It's a twig there, but it looks like a lizard's tail. It's really gorgeous today, guys. I tell you something though, I'm bloody well missing my high voltage. I've been watching old videos that I've done for you guys on my phone that I've had there, and looking at some arcs and stuff, which I'm thinking I wish I'd have been able to bring an X-ray transformer or flyback with me. Let's go and have a look up here, shall we? I've only got my flip-flops on. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Shut that battery. So my phone's saying it's dead. It's dying. It can wait. Yucky. Poo-poo. Poop. Excuse me. It's got to be some under one of these drains. If it'll let me lift it up. Look, no spiders, no cobwebs, nothing. How weird. That's flipping weird, that is. What a poor attempt to sing Radio Gaga. You know, it's flipping fast fly little things, but it's like I've hardly seen any flies, not seen no mosquitoes. I mean, I've had my windows open, my big massive sliding door open at night to keep it cool because it's been hot even at the 2022 during the night, and still no flipping mosquitoes. There's hardly any insects or anything on the Canary Islands, and that's it. It's over there too bloody fast. Or there isn't anything. Like as soon as you lift the rock up, they're gone. Yeah, I get emails and that from you guys, sending me emails and commenting and stuff on my videos, but I can't comment on anything back. It's too expensive. Nothing at all. Disappointing. There's a pigeon, there's loads of pigeons. Wood pigeons. There's my apartment. The top one, you can see that, not that one on the corner, the one next to it, that's my apartment. I can see the beach over that way. I want to try and find a way over there. It looks like a cave. Oh, my battery's complaining again. After another video, I think. But yeah, thought I'd share this with you guys. Wish you was all with me. All my loyal subscribers, wish you was with me. It'd been better though to have some marks. Thanks for watching, guys. Look after yourselves, be safe, and we'll speak again.